Yes, again, being in the now will help you to see things as they are. And you can, in the outward journey sense, you can already live by being aware and dissolve a lot of conflict from your life. But to truly dissolve all conflict and fear in life, we have to work on the pre-existing conditioning. Conditioning itself is making us suffer. Conditioning is the realm which is false. We are trusting the false to live our life and ignoring the truth. Until we see the truth, conditioning will always be the source of movement in life. So, direct approach to find inner stability, inner freedom is facing the conflict, facing the fluctuation, investigating the fluctuation, examining our own experience is the way out of the inner trouble. Yes, people are using meditation to find the inner stability. And probably you are also using the meditation to find the stability in your life. Is it working? The question is it working? Yes, you can definitely get that sense of physical stability from the meditation practice. Also some level of mental stability. But the truth is that there's no true freedom from the meditation until you use the meditation to face your conflict, to face your fear. And to do that, you have to give up the technical meditation. Because to meditate and figure out the truth, you have to meditate on yourself. The awareness